Experiencing frequent Pokemon Go crashes on your iPhone can hinder your gameplay. Here are some quick solutions to address this issue. First, update the Pokemon Go app. Ensure you're using the latest version of the app, as updates often include fixes for known issues. Next, update your iOS. Go ahead to the settings and then general, and then go ahead to the software update. Keeping your iPhone's operating system up to date can resolve compatibility problems that may cause app crashes. Next, what you're gonna do, stay on the general and force restart your iPhone. You can use your control center to do that, right? By clicking right here, the shutting down icon right here at the top, right? Performing a force restart can clear temporary glitches affecting app performance. Next, what you're gonna do, stay in the general and free up some storage. Go ahead to the iPhone storage, right? Low storage can lead to app instability, right? Delete unnecessary files or apps to free up some space. Lastly, disable background apps by going back and staying in the general. You're gonna scroll a little bit down or try to pin down background app refresher. Make sure that your low battery mode is off, right? And you're gonna be able to shut it down. Background applications can consume resources, leading to crashes. Close unused apps to improve performance. If the problem still occurs, what you're gonna do, go back to your screen and try to pin down Pokemon, hold the Pokemon app, and then remove the app and reinstall it once again from the App Store or Google Play. Implementing these steps should enhance your Pokemon Go experience on your iPhone. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.